Getting ready to go for a test drive, and I noticed all this paperwork that goes with this truck. So you get a ton of receipts. What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we're going for a test drive in a 1954 Chevrolet pickup. This one here has a 348 up under the hood. Seems to be nice and clean. Aluminum radiator. What we're gonna do is take it down the road, point out any kind of flaws. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. This one has fairly new tires on it. It is the patina with dual exhaust out the back. Little toolbox in the bed. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com. You get financing information, shipping information, and see all of our inventory. Go ahead and shut this hood down. Also hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. Let's hit the road, guys. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior. I noticed the vent window has a big old crack in it, so I'm not gonna mess with it today. I don't feel like having it fall out on me. It does have extra aftermarket gauges, an RPM gauge on the dash, miles per hour popping up there, and we can see what all cuts on here. Looks like a lot of stuff's coming up. Their gas gauge is about halfway. The oil pressure's at 40. Radio is working. You have the shoe air freshener. Oh, no, flick that off. Horseshoe on the dash, wipers work. Still waiting on that engine temp to come up. It hasn't been running very long. The voltmeter is working as well. It's showing 681 miles on the dash. You know I can't stand behind that. You think the horn works? I'll give you 5 seconds. There's a fire extinguisher over there. Headliner looks pretty good. Now, golly, it does work. All right, guys, let's take off down the road. All right, guys, getting ready to take off. Trying to look for my seatbelt. Here it is. I'm sitting on it. Fairly new seatbelts. Yeah. Get the door to shut. There it goes. You gotta have the handle adjusted to the right position or it does not lock. Anything that I see that this truck may need, I will let you know. I'm here to tell you everything, so when you show up, there's no surprises. Speedo's coming up on the dash. Steering's nice and tight on this one. Seems to be going straight down the road. It's not pulling to the left or right. Kick down is hooked up on this one. It's no race truck. I let off on it before it really got down. Engine temp is up, by the way. The brakes are touchy. They're stopping fast. There's no turn signal indications on the dash here. Oh wait, there is a tiny little LED on the gauge there. I had to look around for a little while. great running and driving truck. Going straight down the road. Steering feels good. Gas pedal's got plenty of get up and go. Stops fast. Getting ready to pull off to the side of the road, get some outside shots of this. I'm going to be driving by, let y'all hear what it sounds like from an outside perspective. Get my turn signal on. Oh, well, I guess our console isn't bolted to the floor. It flipped over on us. It's a pretty nice one though. I'm gonna jump out here and get some outside shots. Looks like my escape handle's not doing too well either. It may need a new one. I'm gonna open it from the outside so I don't mess it up. Maybe. I'm stuck. Goodness. Got y'all up in the window, put y'all in the driver's seat here. We're gonna take off, head on back to the lot. This road here's got a nice little bump in it. We're gonna hit it, kind of listen for rattles and stuff. This is a perfect truck because I'm sure it has some rattles and stuff to it. Suspension's not too bad. Bump was right there. do appreciate y'all riding along with me. Tomorrow I've got another 3 cars I'm gonna pull up and do walk-arounds and test drives up. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good one. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures. We also got all of our inventory on that website, along with financing and shipping information. You can hit that subscribe button to get daily videos. We try to post stuff every day, and we get about 10 to 15 cars a week in here. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Check out the detailed walk-around video for more information. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. I do appreciate it. Thanks again, guys.